An institution intended to buy a certain number of shares for Kenya shillings this, the supplier agreed to offer a discount of Kenya shillings 60 per share, which enabled the institution to get 3 more shares. Taking X as the original intended number of shares, write an expression in terms of X for original price. So original price itakuwa 1620 divided by X shares, because tumeambiwa X is the original number of shares. After doing the discount, they bought 3 more shares. So the price after the discount is going to be 16,200, the total amount of money, plus divided by X plus 3. X plus 3 is the number of shares which is going to add 3 more shares. But by so doing, the supplier agreed to offer a discount of 60 per share. Very good. So determine the number of shares the institution originally intended to buy. We want to get the value of X. So the original price, you subtract, after doing the discount, the answer should be, or the answer should be this one, you subtract 60, the answer should be equal to this. 16,200 divided by X. If you subtract 60, the answer should be 162,000 divided by X plus 3. Or this, subtract this, the answer should be 60. So you can do it in 2 ways. Over 1, so our LCM is that. We multiply every term by the LCM. So we multiply the LCM here, we will have tunakuwa na X plus 3 times 16,200 minus, here we are going to have X square plus 3X times 60 equal to 16,200 inaenda, so inabaki X. If we open this one, we're going to have 162,000X plus this times 3, 48,600 minus 60X square minus 180X is equal to 162,000X. This and that goes. Cancels out. So now we will rearrange this one. We will rearrange this one, and then I want to change the sign in this one to be positive by dividing negative everywhere. So I will have 60 X square plus 180 X minus 4860 equal to 0. You can simplify further by dividing by 60. So X square plus 30, see the that or 3x, this one will be 810 is equal to 0. So you can here solve using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b, positive like that, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or you find the factors. So the factors, the numbers that when you multiply, they give you the 10. And when you add them, they give you this one is negative 27 and 30. So we are going to have now x square minus 27x plus 30x minus 810. You group them. The common factor here is x. So x minus 27. The common factor is x, which is going to remain x minus 27. And here plus the common factor here is 30, which is going to be here x minus 30. Sitafanya sort of addition. Sorry. The common factor here is 30, which was here 27 times. Now we pick this and that. X plus 30, x minus 27 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 30 or x is equal to 27. So chairs cannot be negative, so we ignore the negative, so it means x is equal to 27. So they intended to buy 27 chairs. So it is 27 chairs. The price per chair after the discount. So 1620 divided by, after the discount, now the chairs were 30. That is 3 plus 27. That is 16,200 divided by 30. That one is shilling 540. Each chair costed 540. The amount of money the institution could have saved per chair if it bought the intended number of chairs at a discount of 15. So one chair without the discount is 1620 divided by 27 chairs, which is shilling 100. So 100% is equal to 600. Wangepewa 85, 100 minus 15 discount, ingekuwa ngapi? Ingekuwa ni 85 times 600 divided by 100, na hiyo inatupea 510 shillings. Kwa hivyo wangefanyiwa discount ya 15, wangelipa 510 kiti moja. Kwa hivyo swali ni the money they could have saved per chair. So per chair it is 600 minus 510. Wange save shilling 90 per chair. 90 per chair.